Join me as I take on the challenge of building a chicken coop on a budget without breaking the bank. In this video, you'll learn how to create a budget-friendly chicken coop that meets all your needs without breaking the bank. Many people want to raise chickens, but are deterred by the high cost of coops. Raising chickens can be a fun and rewarding experience, but it's true that the initial investment can be daunting. A chicken coop is a necessary investment, but it doesn't have to break the bank. With a little creativity and resourcefulness, you can build a functional and safe coop without blowing your budget. The good news is that you can build a chicken coop on a budget and still provide a safe and healthy environment for your chickens. It just takes some planning and the right materials. One of the main reasons people are hesitant to raise chickens is the cost of the coop. But the truth is, you don't need to spend a fortune to get started. With a little bit of planning and research, you can find affordable materials and build a coop that meets your needs. Plus, building a coop yourself can be a fun and rewarding DIY project. Not only will you save money, but you'll also have the satisfaction of knowing you built it yourself. So, if you're interested in raising chickens but are held back by the cost of the coop, don't worry. We're about to show you how to build a budget-friendly chicken coop that meets all your needs. You'll learn how to choose the right materials, design a functional coop, and build it efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to get started on your own coop. So, let's get started. We'll discuss materials you'll need, budget-friendly options, and step-by-step instructions on how to construct your coop efficiently. When it comes to building a chicken coop, the materials you choose can make all the difference. Not only do you need to think about the cost, but also the safety and durability of the materials. You'll need to decide on the type of wood, the size of the coop, and the type of roofing materials. We'll walk you through all the options and help you make the best decisions for your budget. One of the biggest expenses when building a coop is the cost of lumber. But there are ways to reduce this cost without sacrificing quality. You can use reclaimed or recycled lumber, or look for discounts at your local hardware store. We'll also show you how to design your coop to minimize waste and reduce the amount of lumber you need. The design of your coop is also crucial. You'll need to think about the size, the layout, and the ventilation. A well-designed coop will not only be functional, but also easy to clean and maintain. We'll provide you with some design ideas and tips to help you get started. You'll learn how to build a coop that's safe, secure, and easy to manage. The construction process can seem daunting, but with the right instructions, it's easier than you think. We'll take you through the step-by-step process of building your coop, from the foundation to the finishing touches. You'll learn how to assemble the frame, add the walls and roof, and install the doors and windows. By the end of this section, you'll have a clear understanding of how to build your own coop. Watch as we reveal the moment when everything comes together, showcasing the completed coop and highlighting its key features. The moment of truth has finally arrived. After all the planning, designing, and building, it's time to see the finished product. We'll take you on a tour of the coop, showing you all the features that make it functional and safe. You'll see how the design comes together and how the materials were used efficiently. The finished coop is not only functional, but also looks great. The design is clean and modern, and the materials were used efficiently. You'll see how the ventilation system works, and how the doors and windows provide easy access. We'll also show you some of the key features, such as the nesting boxes and the roosting bars. By the end of this section, you'll have a clear understanding of what makes a great chicken coop. The coop is fully functional, with everything your chickens need to thrive. The design is safe, secure, and easy to clean, making it perfect for backyard chicken keepers. You'll see how the coop fits seamlessly into the backyard and how the chickens interact with their new home. To wrap up, we'll summarize the steps taken and the importance of having a well-built, affordable chicken coop for your backyard flock. Building a chicken coop on a budget requires some planning and creativity, but the end result is well worth it. Not only will you save money, but you'll also have the satisfaction of knowing you built it yourself. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our other DIY projects and leave a comment sharing your chicken raising experiences. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.